Today you're going to complete word problems practice number 1 with adding and subtracting. The directions are that you are to work together as a class to solve 1 through 5 and to complete 6 through 8 on your own or in small groups. I've attached links to a Jamboard so you can work out the problems as a class and a link to a calculator. So let me just show you what you would do for number 1. So I'm going to click on the Jamboard so that it would open for me, so that you and the teacher can work it out, and you all can all click on the Jamboard and join and see. All right, so we would go here. Number 1, reading the problem. Teacher would read the problem for you, or you would use your reader tool, which is the purple puzzle piece if you were having trouble with reading. After paying $3 for a sandwich, Trayvon has 9. How much money did he have before buying the sandwich? So you want to make an equation as a class and also figure out the answer. So in each box, you would have something different. So we're going to take these using our strategies that we've learned before. We can highlight and underline all of that. So let's do so here. Let's see. To click on it. There we go. So you click in the text box, then you're able to highlight our numbers, which we have $3 as our number and $9 as well. Okay, so we got $3 and $9. Any keywords? Well, after paying $3 for a sandwich, Trayvon has $9. So he paid $3. So that means he lost it, maybe. So we want to keep that one as a keyword. So I use the underline and I change the color because, I'm sorry, you're supposed to do it after. There you go. So after paying $3 for a sandwich, that means if I pay, I lost the money. So it's probably going to be a subtraction type problem, or it could be an addition problem. Trayvon has $9. How much money did he have before? Oh, wait a minute. We want to know what he had before buying the sandwich. That's what it says. Before buying the sandwich. Okay. And then we always want to pay attention to our question. So I'm going to take my rectangle shape and put a box around that question, and it won't go all the way around, but we're still trying to make it happen. Change it to transparent so you can see through your shape. There you go. That's our question. How much money did he have before? Basically, that's what we want to know. Okay, so we are going to make an equation that would show us this. I could use my scratch pad. When we get to the answer part, we'll go to the Jamboard, and we might even need our calculator. Okay, so $3. Because I spent $3. Um, and now I have 9. So I had something before that, which we don't know what he had before. So we would say money. I'm going to use M for money minus $3 equals him to have now $9. Okay, that's my equation. All right, and you can do it like this if you want. It'll work. So I would say that's our equation. Now we have to solve for M. So this is where we take this to the Jamboard and get to work. So I'm on my Jamboard. Let's see. Okay, so there's my equation from earlier. And we're going to get to work on that. So I'm going to use my pen tool up here and demonstrate how we get M all by itself. If it's a minus, remember we do the opposite operation. So I'm going to add in order to get M alone. And I'm okay with that. So we're going to do plus $3. I can just do plus 3, or I can do 0, 0. I don't really have that much room, so I'm just going to do plus 3. When you have a negative and a positive, they cancel each other out. This actually becomes 0 on this side. Remember, whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we have to also do to the other side of the equal sign. So we're going to add $3 over here. And if I don't know what 9 plus 3 is, I am going to go to my calculator tool, which is here on the slide. There's a calculator. I'm going to click on it and put in my numbers, 9 plus 3, and get the answer 12. Okay, so we're going to go back to our Jamboard. We know our answer is 12. $12 is what he had before he spent it, so M is equal to 12. All right, so now I know this. We worked it out. We're going to come back to our slide, which was slide 1, and then we're just going to put in M equals 12, because that's what we figured out. Now remember, you can use any letter to take the place of an unknown value. I did it this way because it makes sense, because we're talking about money. So you can pick any letter you want. All right, and for the rest of your lesson, again, you're going to work through with the teacher on these. Use the Jamboard, use the calculator, and solve 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 looks a little different because 6, 7, and 8 you guys are doing on your own, and that can be with a partner or by yourself, like breakout rooms or by yourself quietly. Whatever the teacher decides is fine. But I made these different, where I've already highlighted the numbers, underlined the keywords, boxed the question, and all you have to do is find the equation on this and drag it to the correct place. You don't have to solve the equation, but you can drag the correct equation to the box, and that is what you do for 6, 7, and 8. I hope you enjoy this lesson and you guys do well. Thank you.